The graph of f prime, the derivative of the function f, is shown in the figure above. Which of the following statements must be true? All right, so 1, f is continuous on the open interval a to b. 2, f is decreasing on the open interval a to b. 3, the graph of f is concave down on the open interval a to b. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to eliminate choice 2. And the reason I'm going to eliminate that, if f is decreasing on the open interval a to b, that means that f prime would have to be negative on that interval. And we can see here that on this part of the interval, f prime is positive. Okay, so that eliminates choice 2. Let's look at answer 1. F is continuous on the open interval a to b. Well, if f is continuous, that means that it must be differentiable. Differentiability implies continuity. So if we look at f prime's graph, we can see that there's no breaks, there's no holes in this graph, so that means f prime is defined for every point on the interval a to b. So that means differentiability implies continuity, so this is okay. And let's check choice 3. The graph of f is concave down on the interval a to b. So if f is concave down, that means that f double prime must be negative. Okay, well, how can we look at f prime's graph and determine if f double prime is negative? Well, we want to look at f prime's graph and see if it's decreasing on the entire interval. And we can see that f prime is decreasing on the entire interval a to b. So choice 3 is also true. So 1 and 3, so the answer is C.